In this essential Telegram tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a Telegram account from scratch. We will walk through the simple steps to download the app, complete the Telegram registration using your phone number, and set up your profile so you can start messaging your friends securely in minutes. You have heard about Telegram, the fast, secure messaging app that lets you send large files and join massive communities. Maybe your friends have moved there, or you want to join a specific channel. But if you have never used it before, the sign-up process might seem like just another hurdle. I'm your host, and in this complete guide, we are going to get you set up. We will cover the installation process for both Android and iPhone, as they are very similar. We will also discuss the critical phone number verification step, which is how Telegram keeps your account secure. We will also touch on how to set up your profile name and picture so people can recognize you. By the end of this video, you will have a fully active account and be ready to send your first message. To get started, you simply need a smartphone. Telegram is a mobile-first experience, so setting it up on your phone is the best way to begin. You will also need a working phone number. This can be a standard SIM card or a virtual number, but you must be able to receive an SMS text message or a phone call to verify that the number belongs to you. You cannot create an account with just an email address. Let's build your account. First, go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, tap the search bar and type Telegram. Look for the official app with the blue paper airplane logo and tap Install or Get. Once the download finishes, tap Open to launch the app. You will see a welcome screen. Tap the button that says Start Messaging. Now, Telegram will ask you for your country and your phone number. Make sure the country code matches your location and then carefully type in your mobile number. Double-check it to avoid errors, then tap the arrow or Continue button. It will also ask for your email address. I will log in with Apple as it is easier. It is possible to reach this message. For Telegram to verify your data, it will need to send a message. It is possible to ask you to support this verification. This is a one-time fee, and it will apply only when you create the account. I will tap Sign Up and continue the prompts. After the payment is done, an SMS will be sent to your phone. This is the verification step. Telegram will send you a code via SMS. Sometimes, if you have the app on another device, it sends the code there first. But since you are new, you should get a text. Enter that 5-digit code into the app. If you don't get the text within a minute, the app might offer to call you with the code instead. Once the code is verified, you are almost done. The app will ask you for your first name and last name. Enter how you want to be seen. You can also tap the camera icon to upload a profile picture from your gallery. Tap Continue and grant the app permission to access your contacts so you can see which of your friends are already on Telegram. After you sign up, I highly recommend setting a username. Go to Settings, then Edit Profile, and then Username. This allows people to find you by a unique name without needing your phone number, which is great for privacy. Also, enable two-step verification immediately. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and two-step verification. This adds an extra password to your account, so even if someone steals your SIM card, they cannot access your messages. So, we've reached the end of our guide. We learned how to create a Telegram account quickly and securely. We walked through downloading the app, verifying your phone number via SMS, and setting up your basic profile. You are now part of the Telegram network. I truly hope this Telegram setup guide helps you connect with your community. If it was helpful, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more messaging app tips and security tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you joining Telegram for personal chats with friends or to follow news channels? I'm curious to know how you plan to use it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.